Want to turn any normal photo into a stunning text portrait effect in just a few minutes? In today's Photoshop tutorial, I'll show you a simple and powerful method to blend text perfectly into your subject's face. So let's jump right in. To begin, make sure you've downloaded all the images from the link in the description. Once your main portrait image is opened inside Photoshop, the first thing you need to do is press Ctrl+J to create a duplicate layer. This copy will help us create a smooth displacement map for the text. Now go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and set the radius to 10 pixels. This soft blur helps Photoshop read the curves of the face more naturally when applying the text effect. Next, go to File, Save As, and save this blurred layer as a map file. This will be the displacement map we'll use later. After saving it, you can delete this blurred layer from your canvas because we only needed it to generate the map. Now bring your text image onto the canvas and position it over the portrait. With the text layer selected, go to Filter, Distort, Displace. Set both the horizontal and vertical scale to 10. Then click OK. Photoshop will ask you to select a file. Choose the map file you saved earlier. This will instantly bend and wrap the text around the curves of the face, giving it a natural, realistic contour. Next, select your background portrait image and add a solid color adjustment layer. Choose Pure Black, hit OK, and then drag this image layer above top. Now hold Alt and click between the layers to create a clipping mask, which will limit the black effect to only your portrait layer. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate this clipped portrait layer, and then hold Alt and click on the Add Layer Mask icon. Select the Brush tool, set your foreground color to white, and reduce the brush flow to 30%. Now gently paint over the areas where you want the portrait to mix smoothly with the text. This step adds depth and helps blend everything together naturally, giving the final image a professional, artistic look. And that's how you create a clean and powerful text portrait effect in Photoshop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And for more awesome Photoshop tricks, make sure to check out the other tutorials on my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.